Today I'm going to show you how to make these abstract arrows and curls jewelry pieces. For this project I'm using 3 oven-baked polymer clays, white rolled out with my clay conditioning machine on setting 1, Granny Smith, yellow, and turquoise rolled out on setting 6. I trimmed the turquoise sheet and then angle cut to create small arrowheads. Using tweezers, I placed the arrowheads on the white clay, spacing them out evenly and at different angles. I cut very thin strips of yellow clay for the arrow shafts and then placed them slightly overlapping the arrowheads. This next step, adding the curls, is rather tricky. Be patient and have fun with them. Cut long strips of Granny Smith and twirl. I lay a sheet of plastic wrap over the assembled design and gently roll to embed the colored clays into the white background clay. I lay the design onto a sheet of blended scrap clay I rolled out to setting 1. After adding the plastic wrap, I lightly roll the 2 clay sheets to fuse them. Leaving the plastic wrap in place, I use clay cutters to create the pendant and earring shapes. A note here, I experienced sticking plastic wrap with the smaller circles, so I recommend a heftier wrap than I used. I gently smooth the edges of each piece, adding bits of clay to fill any uneven areas. I bake the pieces at 275 degrees for 15 minutes. After they've cooled, I will sand and buff each piece. Once coated with 2-part resin and left to cure for 24 hours, clean each piece using a craft knife or power tool. Once cleaned and polished, I attach leather cord to the pendant and earring pin backs to the earrings.